Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, in this video we are watching the latest WPC wall panel decor ideas. So friends, WPC wall panels are innovative building material made by combining natural wood fibers which thermoplastic like PVC, PE and PP. These panels offer a durable eco-friendly alternative to traditional wood and other wall paneling materials due to their compositions. WPC wall panels are resistant to moisture, termite, and rot and decay, making them ideal for both interiors and exterior application. And interior walls, WPC wall panels are often used for decorative walls in living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and commercial spaces. And exterior cladding, they are popular for exterior facades due to their weather resistance and properties. Since WPC is moisture resistant, it's ideal for bathrooms, kitchens and other damp areas. With their combination of authentic of durability, WPC wall panels have become popular choice in modern constructions for both residential and commercial projects. The installation rate for WPC wall panels in India can vary depending on several factors such as the region, type of WPC materials, and installation complexity and the experience of contractor. On average, installation rate for WPC wall panels typically ranges between 250 to 500 has per square foot, which include both cost of material and labor. And however, this rate can fluctuate due to the factors like design complexity, integrate patterns, or specialty finishes can increase labor cost. And second one is the location. Urban areas like Mumbai or Delhi maybe have higher rates due to demand and labor cost and compared to the smaller cities. And another one also, brand or material quality. Premium WPC wall panels may be cost more and fusing the total installation cost. And for more prices estimate, it's recommended to consult local contractor or suppliers to base on your specific location and project you need and ideas. So friends, because WPC wall panels are becoming increasing popular in constructions and interior design due to its several key advantages. First one is the durability. WPC wall panels are highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. They are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, making them suitable for both indoors and outdoor applications. And second one is the low maintenance. Unlike natural wood or WPC panels, do not require regular painting or sealing or varnishing. They are resistant to termites, its rot mold, making them low maintenance. And third one is the eco-friendly. WPC wall panels are made from recyclable wood and plastic, making them more sustainable option compared to traditional wood panels. They help to reducing and promote recycling of materials. And fourth one is the authentic appeal. WPC panels offer a wood-like finish that added warmth and elegance to the space. They comes in variety of textures, designs and colors, allowing for customization to match different decor styles. And fifth one is the water and fire resistance. WPC wall panels are water resistant, making them ideal for areas exposed to moisture such as bathrooms or outdoor walls. They also have good fire resistance and adding to the extra layer of safety. And sixth one is the easy installation. WPC wall panels are lightweight and comes with easy to use interlocking system which simplify the installation process and reduce labor cost. And seventh one is the cost effective. Over time, WPC panels can be more economical than the traditional materials due to their long life and minimal upkeep. And make WPC wall panels are practical and versatile choice for both residential and commercial applications. The installation rate of WPC wall panels in India can vary depending on several factors such as the region, type of which materials is installation between 250 to 500 has per square foot, which include both cost of material and labor. And however, this rate can fluctuate due to the factors like design complexity, integrate patterns, or specialty finishes can increase labor cost. And second one is the location. Urban areas like Mumbai or Delhi maybe have higher rates due to demand and labor cost and compared to the smaller cities. And another one also, brand or material quality. Premium WPC wall panels may be cost more and fusing the total installation cost, and for more prices estimate it's recommended to consult local contractor or suppliers to base on your specific location and project your needs. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching.